Haven has landed. Faro Portugal. It's the Skull Church, the ossuary. A couple of beggars already waiting outside for us to go up there. They're sharpening their tentacles to see what they can get out of us. Till it'd be fuck all. There's a couple of skulls up the top there. Looks like the rest of them have all gone. Souvenir hunters.
Pas golo, ouais.
Ils sont tous morts.
Pas golo, ouais, je te le dis.
Ils sont tous morts. Je vais envoyer ça à Joël. Mais quoi, elle a récupéré là. C'est de la recherche.
There's loads of holes where the skulls are missing there.
Yeah.
So they must have literally dropped from the roof.
Yeah.
Imagine that coming in here, one of them lands on your head. So I wonder what these are, plague victims or something?
No, they were just monks who worked here, and they dug up the graveyard and cremated the bodies and put in here like this. You know what I mean?
So what exactly is this? Does it say?
I don't know. There's loads of them all around. I think I've seen people.
That's the Portuguese fighting the Moors, I take it.
Yeah, look.
That's what the city walls must be up here. A big stork nest there on top of the church. There's one actually sitting on the nest there on the left, isn't there?
I think what cost that? Why would I do that? I'll give you £100. Oh, yeah, well, if you're going to put it like that. No, £100. What will that cost? Because of the fumes and all that off the cars here.
I was told before that they're just for like marmalade, not for actual eating. So this is the room. Pretty basic, but alright. Bed, TV, bathroom. The interesting bit is you've got the shower there, which works really good, but when you come into the bedroom, you've got this blind here, and if you move that, you can see in. So basically, you can be in bed watching someone do Richard III in there, or someone in the shower. Can't say I've ever seen that one before. Here we are, the Portuguese sports bar, watching Arsenal Bayern Munich, second half, with the Portuguese brethren drinking Super Bock. Train to Lagos is like one of them ones from the Warriors film. Here we are, Lagos, not Nigeria. That building there is where the first African slaves were sold from, after the slave ships had docked here. Over there, the sea's just over there. This is the town square. This is in Lagos, and this is all the different places trying to sell your boat trips. I reckon there's probably 50. They go all the way up there and then down there, but they're all basically going to the same place. So the Bengali cave, so God knows what it must be like there. It'd be like a conveyor belt. There must be so many boats going out of here. Now, there's obviously not an English translation here. Faro really is a strange mix, and it kinds of gives you that impression that whilst it can be scruffy and in need of a refurb and a bit of paint, it actually also seems to suit the place being like that. I thought you've such a mixture from houses being told on the outside to lovely looking baroque churches, and then obviously all the sites of history. It really is like from one extreme to the other there, I thought.